We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
We also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight. We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, just want to wish all of our students and families a very happy and safe holiday break. Make sure you rest up, do lots of fun things, stay safe, and we will see you all back on Monday the 11th of July, ready for term 3.
Hi Cranbourne East friends, I hope you have a great holiday, stay safe and we'll see you next term.
Happy holidays everyone, stay nice and healthy and have a great relaxing break. Bye!
Hi everyone, well done on a great first semester. Have a great holidays and see you next term. Bye.
Have a happy holiday!
Have a safe and happy break everyone from Cranbourne East Primary School. Hope everyone has an amazing break and has lots of rest.
Have a great break everyone. Have a good holiday.
Hello everyone, have a great holiday, stay safe and don't forget to read, girls and boys.
Alright Steps, make sure you enjoy your holidays. Have a lovely break everyone. Enjoy your holidays.
See you next term.
Wishing you all a very happy holidays and I hope you enjoy your holidays with your family.
Enjoy the holidays!
Hey, we would like to wish everyone a great holidays. Be safe and have lots of fun. See ya.
Hi everyone, have a great break. You've all worked really hard this term, so enjoy the break and we can't wait to see you again next term. Bye.
Have a great holiday, Cranbourne East!
Have a good break and enjoy your holidays.
Have a great break everybody. It's been a really busy term. We hope you have heaps of fun on your holidays.
Yeah, have fun. Enjoy the break with your parents and your friends as well. Hopefully you get lots of rest and we'll see you next term. Take care for now.
Hi, good luck on your holidays. Stay safe and we'll see you next term.
Have a lovely break, Cranbourne East.
Have a lovely break.
We can't wait to see you next term.
Have a great holiday everyone!
Hey everyone, have a happy and safe holidays. Make sure you sleep in, eat lots of yummy food, go on walks, spend time with your family and enjoy yourself. Bye.
Have a lovely break, Cranbourne East. Hi families out there, we just want to wish you all a happy and safe holiday. Make sure that you get some relaxation. The children can still do a little bit of reading, but stay safe.
Hi everyone, just wanted to wish everyone a beautiful holiday break. Hopefully you have a great rest and we'll see you day 1 in term 3.
What are we making today? What are we doing?
We are making clouds. We're making rain clouds in a cup. Yeah, and it's so fun. We can't wait to do it again.
What are rain clouds?
Rain clouds are particles of ice and water. All clouds are made of water. But rain clouds are when there's too much water stuck in the clouds, and that's how it makes rain. Particles of rain, of water. And the ones that are higher up are made of water ice crystals. Look at this! Here, I have to put it over here. Put it everywhere. Everywhere. Do you like ours? It's like an ice cream. The name of my app is Community Hero, and it's there to help give you advice on how to make friends, and it's there to help you build self-confidence, and you can do some mindfulness. So this is Community Hero's main page. Now when you click ready, it takes you to the other main page, and you can click on self-respect, and it can take you to this, and it gives you some advice. There's like one part, and then there's another part which is proper advice, and it tells you more advice. Then you can go back and you can click on friends, and then it goes in the first part, and you can click the next button, takes you to second part. And then you can click on mindfulness. It takes you to this page, and you can click the pictures, and you can choose which type of coloring pages you want. So this is like the coloring letters. Then you can listen to some music on YouTube. There's piano music, guitar music, and sleeping music. And then there's some that you can learn what mindfulness is, and you can go on to how to do it. So you can choose yoga. And then you can click on learning, you can choose on what it is and times you need to use it. That's all my app has.
My name of my app is Safe Bubble, and it's for people who get bullied at school. They can come to Safe Bubble and report their questions or tips for them. This is Safe Bubble's main page, and if you click what is Safe Bubble is a place where people can share their thoughts and can receive tips for their questions about bullying. Can also do some mindfulness coloring. And click on bully tips. It gives you some tips that you might need, and you can click on mindfulness. If you do, there's some coloring pages that you can just click on and print them. Last one is questions for bullying.
The name of my app is the Magic 8 Ball. By asking the Magic 8 Ball something, like typing it in, it will give you a suggestion, an answer to be exact, and it will tell you if you should do it or not. This is the landing page of the Magic 8 Ball. The 8 Ball is extremely easy to use. Just click ready, then choose a problem. It's that simple. Here you will need to select a problem. Should I play video games? Click the yellow button and it will give you your answer. Should I eat a banana? No. 8 times 42. Are you in a math test? Finally, for something fun to do, I decided to add in some Easter eggs. Now you can find them and have some fun looking for them all.
Our name of our app is called Mindfulness Plus.
It relieves stress and you can keep it calm.
This is the main page of Mindfulness Plus.
You can log in like this. Continue. We have a music button. There's lots of different music. There's 4 coloring pictures.
There's a memes button, so if you were ever to have a laugh, you could just go into random memes.
There's also a drawing space. You can like add any drawing. So here's the drawing place.
There's a puzzles button where you could do some puzzles.
This is an example of one of the puzzles we've got.
Thank you for seeing our apps.
You show me how you paint the water then. Beautiful. Yeah, keep painting, Tig. It looks great. Love all those blues and greens for the ocean. So, Amber, you're painting your ocean.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Looks like it is.
Yeah.
What did we do last week?
We made a jellyfish.
And what are we going to do with the jellyfish next week?
We're gonna stick it on the ocean.
Yeah, that looks great. Thanks, Amber. Okay, what are you doing, Seth?
I am studying textiles.
Right. And what are we doing as part of textiles?
We're wrapping wool around the first letters of our name.
Right, can you show me your initial, please, Seth? That looks great. Well done. Thanks, Seth.